$500 trading tips, and we'll be checking this out right here in this video. However, before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content we are getting from here, kindly subscribe to the channel right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, if you have any question, you can drop your question for me in the comment section, or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply. These are the assets I will be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, so if you're not joining live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, and this particular asset has been on uptrend for a very long time. Okay, right from here, it started an uptrend, and of course, it has gotten to another resistance zone again. So, actually, this is trying to go back on downtrend, but we are not sure if it will fully go back on downtrend at the moment because of the strong uptrend that it has been for some days now. Okay, so if it breaks out above this resistance zone, it's still going to buy more. If it does not, then it will switch into a downtrend fully and sell for a while. Okay, but for now it is selling. Okay, this might not be for a very long time. If it breaks out above this, then it's going to buy. So I'm going to put sell here and put buy in brackets in case it breaks out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be GainX 999. GainX 999 has been on downtrend right from here. We dropped this signal yesterday. It all started yesterday and it has sold till it got to this region. And of course, right from there, it's tried to go back up again. It has been buying since then. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Now let's move on, guys. Pay next 1200. Let's check it out together. This is PayNext 1200. I also dropped this signal in the Telegram channel today. Okay, so this actually got to the support and was unable to break out from there. So it gave us an entry point at this point. First TP has been achieved, second TP has been achieved. It had a little pullback, but it is buying again. Once it breaks out the structure from here, then definitely it's going to buy more. Then we are most likely to achieve the rest of the TP. So this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. So we should watch out for that. The next asset is going to be Paynex 99. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is Paynex 999. This also has been on uptrend for like 2 days right now. Okay, it's got to the support zone 2 days ago and it's been buying after giving us an uptrend signal, and it has been buying since then. So this is still more of a buying opportunity, even though it is a resistance zone. But if it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. Okay, so this is still more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The last asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 has been on uptrend also for a very long time, right from here, guys. However, it has gotten to this resistance zone. It has not been able to break out from there. So it's trying to go back on downtrend. So at the moment, it is selling at the moment. We don't know how far this is going to go. Okay. So if it breaks out below this, then it's going to sell more. Okay. But if it does not, then it will go back on uptrend and try to break out above the resistance zone. But for now, it is still selling. So these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you start trying it out on your real account. And if you love my content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.